What's up, guys? It's Stealing1213. Today I've got a video from Beans' point of view of us tucking and stealing the Fort of the Damned from a galleon. Hope you guys enjoy. See y'all in the next one.
Actually,
You're
I'm
hear
gonna
that.
I'm gonna rowboat over. I'm gonna rowboat over. You
All right.
just if you need me to come back to the boat because they're sinking you, let me know. But I'm just gonna rowboat over there and have a look. I'm hoping they're dumb enough and they're not gonna see my rowboat. Hopefully the waves do me justice here and kind of give me cover, which would be nice.
Once I get a little bit further away from them and I'm on like the opposite side of you, I'll shoot a couple fireworks to distract them.
I mean, you can start doing it now, to be honest. Wait, the Reaper just disappeared. I think they fucking dug it down. Wait, I think they dug it down, Josh. They might be stacking.
I still see Reaper.
Still see
I
the
see
Reaper
Reaper
chest.
and the other one, yeah. I see two. I see the red and green and I see the gold.
I don't see the light for some reason. I'm on a rowboat right now. Please don't tell me they're gonna see me, please. Tell me they're blind. Tell me they're blind. They might be blind. They might be blind. They're stacking the loot on the boat actually. So I think they're only doing it once. Wait, they put ship sighted. They're a random crew. They might have only just noticed you. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna put my stream on for you, so you can see what's going on. I want to get as close as I can, and then I'm
Can
going
you
to...
see the fireworks from there?
No.
When they go off? Okay, if they're not rendering, maybe they don't see them then.
Let's check this out. I see a ship.
That name looks like a fat console
Move in the
name, bro.
move in the stronghold gunpowder barrel. They're gonna break it. They're gonna put it on the boat. Okay. I need to board somehow. Okay, this is gonna be rough. Okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, watch this. Ready? Mission Impossible type shit here, Josh. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, another Reaper test spawn. Don't start grounding. Launch another firework at them.
What's he doing, man? Did he see me? Fuck. Did he see me? Oh, he didn't see me. Okay, Josh, get ready to come over here, because if they do bring the stronger barrel, I'm fucking blowing them up. Okay?
Yep.
What's that? Oh, that's you. Okay.
Oh, you can't see the fireworks from there.
What are they doing? Oh no! Please don't see me! What's he doing? He's looking at this quest. They look newbie. Josh, they look newbie. Okay.
Yeah,
wait.
you're.
Dude, this is so exciting, dude. I love it so much. Oh, look at this shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, Josh, get ready to come over here. I'm gonna blow them up. Because I think they got all the loot. Actually, should I wait until they start moving and then do it?
Yeah, get them out deeper.
Yeah.
I'm slowly just creeping in, slowly to stress them out.
Yeah, they have no idea whatsoever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Put it in the crow's nest. Yeah, put it in the crow's nest.
That's what I said.
No, I just watched him come down the ladder. So, the same guy who had the cake. I see that when you just shot. I think they're looking at you. I need help. How many are there? I think I've only seen 2 people so far. There's no way it's just a duo, dude. One dude there, one dude there. Oh no, there's at least... Wait, no, it is a 4, it's a 4-man. It is a 4-man. I need to get up the crow's nest somehow. Bringing another keg. Oh my god. There's no way he just put it underground. There's no way he just put that keg in their ship. Yeah, he's raising the anchor.
Hey, I think we're in the
What?
the shroud. It's foggy as fuck out here. I
Okay.
can't see shit.
They're raising the anchor. I think they're gonna start moving soon.
They're gonna be going to Reapers for sure, right?
Yeah, they're turning. They're turning. Alright, get ready. I'm gonna fuck them up in a second, Josh. Yeah, he put cell. If you want, just follow them. Alright? Follow
Yeah.
behind him.
I'm getting attacked.
By what?
Mag, I think.
Okay, it's fine. Meg's not that bad. If it was a skeleton ship, that'd be worse, but... Yeah, they're moving, they're moving. Putting it in the cage.
What?
Oh no. No, you just dropped one of the kegs up in the water.
Less than ideal.
That's right, he's still got stronghold kegs in the fucking main pit, so...
He's got me broadsided still.
I'm just thinking, wait, they're not off towards Reapers. Follow them, follow them.
Yep.
Off towards an outpost, I think. I need to get in a better spot, I think. Oh, that's terrible. Can't see shit. I'm going back. Hey, how am I gonna do this?
Can't see them. This fog I'm in is thick.
I think they were randoms, so I just need to kill like the guy driving, and then I just need to get up there.
I actually can't see them through this fog.
Just start heading south by southwest.
I need to cut more right.
You are following them, yeah.
Eyes on, eyes on, eyes on.
Yeah.
They still got me in their broadside. They're turning to keep me in broadside.
Yeah, they're pulling up to the thing here soon, so I need to. I'm gonna do a play in a second, Josh.
Yeah.
Right.
They're a lot faster than I am.
By that wheel.
Do you have to get into the crow's nest?
I'm climbing up in that crow's nest. Wait, he just stared at me! He just stared at me, you don't even know. One of them just stared at me, he thinks I'm a teammate. Give me a second, Josh, I'm gonna fuck him up. Just keep following
Yeah.
him. They're just looking at you.
Dodger.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Get ready for this, Josh. You ready?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Oh my god,
Okay, good.
no! I died, no! That's so fucked up though.
All
How
their
did that kill
masts are
me?
done.
Dude, they had so many kegs below, dude. They might just, so many of them died, by the way. Wait, hold on, wait, one's dead on here. Only one's on here. 2 dead, 3 dead. 4, they're all dead, they're all dead. They're all dead, Josh. You just need to catch up with them. Oh
They
my
sunk.
god. Oh my god.
They fucking sunk, Beans.
Oh my god.
They sunk. Instantly
I'm
sunk.
clipping that, I clipped it. They put question mark in the chat.
Instantly sunk. They're gonna respawn on the boat though. We're gonna have to fight them off.
They're noobs, we're fine. Pull out blunderbuss and sniper.
Yeah, I got it. As soon as I'm on the boat, that's what I stick to.
Yeah, pull to the right. So and there won't be any more cakes left. They all blew up. Dude, they had 2 stronghold cakes in the crow's nest.
Race sail all the way.
They had 2 stronghold cakes in the crow's nest, and I think they had like a good like 5 like normal cakes in their actual ship like below. Like, what are they doing? Absolute idiots, dude. Oh yeah, 1 back spot, 2 back spawn, 3, 4. Hey, I'm gonna harpoon 1. Get ready.
Shoot him.
I'm gonna harpoon 1. Get him. Josh, behind you. I said I'm gonna harpoon 1. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna harpoon
Nice
another.
loot, fellas.
I'm harpooning another. He's dead. I'm gonna harpoon another. You ready? Oh wait, no, he's still in the water though.
Right side, I'm hurt.
Get 1. Killed 1. Last guy in there is a Reaper's skin. Hit him once.
I don't see him.
Hit him again. He's swimming like to the bottom of the ocean. I'm chasing him. Give me a second.
Yep. I'm gonna start harpooning loot. Excellent play, Beans.
Oh, you fucking harpooned
I
me!
got you.
Shit!
Oh, my bad. Oh, I
Sorry.
saved you.
Yeah,
You
stop
were hurt.
turning us if you can. I'm gonna kill him
Yeah,
again, don't worry.
Roger.
Little
Yeah,
bastard.
they can't respawn here, right?
Killed
They're
him, he's
respawning
dead.
on
No,
their
no,
ship.
dead,
The other
dead,
guys.
dead, dead, dead. And they're gonna spawn quite far away, so we're gonna have time to sell. Oh, I've got a clip of it, Josh. Boss, you get to watch
It's
it.
fucking
I'm
disgusting,
gonna
bro.
put. I have to put that in the thing, dude. Athena, give me that shit.
Only I could record, but I can't.
Oh fuck.
I just see their ship fucking implode, dude.
Dude, that worked exactly. I wish I didn't die, but there's nothing I could do to avoid that. I stayed up top on the crow's nest and I fell all the way down, but there was such a delay because there's so many cakes that when I fell to the bottom, the cakes were still going on. That literally went. Oh, I want to see it from your point of view, though.
I know I don't have a way to record it.
You need to get medal, Josh. Set up medal.
That's absolutely fucked what we just did, bro.
No, it was fucked, but it wasn't like mean. I thought it was fucked. That's a sick
It's just
play,
fucked,
bro.
like it's fucked that we just pulled it off. That's probably the best play I've ever pulled off in this game.
Yeah, dude.
I've
I've
never
done that
something like
too
that
many
before.
times, dude. It's fucking every time I do it, I never get over it. It's fucking so fun.
And he looked right at you, go up the fucking crow's nest, bro. What a
Yeah, but
retard.
he was sat like here, right next to the thing, right? He looked at me, and I was just like here, just going up. I think he
us
looked
moving.
at me.
Get
He
us
looked
moving
at me
to
and was
Reaper.
just like, wait, do you want it? What supplies I have first? Well, no, we're not selling at Reapers. What the fuck?
Well, we have a Reaper's chest. We should sell it. I want to sell
Well,
everything.
yeah, we'll sell all this shit at the outpost that's literally right next to us first, and then we'll sell the Reaper stuff later. I'm not selling the fucking Athena at Reapers, fuck that. The Athenas sell for like 6k at Reapers. I'm not selling that.
Those guys just got absolutely cut, bro, by a fucking sloop. I won't be surprised if they get off. Did you hear me in game chat, by the way? I was like, nice loot, guys.
Oh, they got a good logbook too. Accomplished logbook. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wait. Current voyage. 17 quests complete. 119,000 gold earned. Complete a riddle map. Damn, bro. Yeah, this ship's been alive for 11 days.
Not anymore.
Yeah, they're never stacking kegs on their boat again, dude. They were all spamming question marks. I don't think they even knew it was random. I think they thought it was just some random dude. Dude, when I just watched them all spawning on the ferry, I was like, yes.
Yeah.
They just
I know
all-
when they all spawned in the water too, that was good. Just watching them all just drop in one at a time.
Yeah. Just to get fucking just wrecked. I'm like, what the fuck just happened? Oh, I love it.
I think they're on console too because the two guys you harpooned didn't even move, so they were still loading in from the ferry and then they're dead again.
Yeah. Or they just raged and didn't want to move. Or they were just in the water. No, because they were all moving around in the water. Hold on, I wanna hold on.
Just start harpooning. Let's get this shit off before the
Um,
pissed off galleon ends up coming back and
Yeah,
bombards
just
us.
vote for guild real quick. I wanna see if we can vote the flag at the guild episode. Okay, it's not letting me fucking.
Voted for what? Just to get a slight boost?
No, I just wanna see if it lets us sell the Reaper flag here. So it's not gonna give us a slight boost because we've already touched the loot. What we could have done, we could have come here first, put guild on, and then gone back to get the loot, but it could have started sinking.
That's fucking disgusting, dude.
Fucking fun, innit? Now next time you need to be with me.
No, someone's got to be on the boat so we can just pull up like that and clean up shop if you die.
Yeah. Luckily they just sank, so. What are the damned for free?
Harpoon all this shit back on.
Yeah, they probably got off to be honest. Probably just rage quit after that. Let me see if I can.
You want to try the Reaper?
Yeah, let's see if I can sell it here. I can! Nice. You can sell it here.
That's fucking disgusting. Beans.
8,260, I think I just sold that for Reaper's flag. What about this book?
Reaper's bounty handed in here. Have to take it to Reaper's hideout.
Yeah,
Take that to the little skelly dude though. You'll be able to sell it.
And it's an accomplished one, so I think it'll sell for more than the noteworthy ones, which are only 300. Told you, bro. Mission Impossible type shit right there.
Yeah, I can't sell the Reaper's chest here either. We'll go to Reaper's hideout quick and sell it.
Logbook. How much is that for? 2,500.
That's pretty good, man.
So that's what it needs to be. So if the logbook says accomplished, then it's worth selling. If it just says noteworthy, then it's only going to suffer 300. So take logbook.
I sell it to the commendations anyway.
Oh, okay.